Hi guys, welcome back on your desk on your side. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Girl, it's not this side.
Well, that's my desk, so I think you can go to your desk.
That's fine, I'm gonna get your desk. Get so shit. Oh, look, off your desk. Hi guys. So basically, and I'm not in. Yeah, I know I'm in. Okay. Anyways, hi guys. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see by the title, I am doing a school review. I know I haven't uploaded like a month, which was like June. Everything's fine. Summer was good, I guess. And then now I gotta go back to school. Let me just tell y'all about what class I'm in. I don't really care. I'm gonna say his last name. I'm not saying his first name. I know his first name. Kind of. Yeah, I know his first name.
Yeah.
But Savannah, my teacher is smarter than yours. Anyways, like I was saying, so my teacher, his name, I got a boy this year. His name is Mr. Boss. We had to go up to school because they was sick of 80 years, and they just sent it in yesterday. So that's great. And I got mine like 2 weeks before, a week before. Anyways, like I was saying, so basically I got all my school supplies and stuff. And basically, I actually thought my best friend forever wasn't going to be at my school, because she told me that. I didn't really care at all. I just know my best friend was going to be there, but like I wasn't really sure what classes. Okay, but my best friend, she's in my class. That's good. Nene, call her that. Nice saying her name. Y'all need to know. And my best friend, London, she been in my video. So I'm just saying her name. I call her London sometimes. Anyways, she said she wasn't gonna be here, but when she came over a sleepover, and she was in my same class. She said she went up to school too, because they was taking forever. Naomi didn't. So yeah, that's that. But anyways, I'm gonna just give a review on what I got and what I'm having for the school year. Okay, so first we're gonna start with like the school supplies and what I need and stuff. Look, if that bag's big, this bag may be heavy. My sister's is heavy. My teacher, her name is Miss Jones. She was my teacher last year. Oh gosh, but I still gotta go to her class because our school do this thing with 5th grade go to the other 5th grade class, and 5th grade also go to both 4th grade classes. And 6th grade go to other 5th grades, and the 6th grade go to 7th grade, both 7th grade classes, and then 7th grade go to 8th grade classes, and 8th grade go to 7th grade classes. There you go. 3rd grade doesn't do that. 3rd grade goes to 3rd grade classes, and 2nd grade, 1st grade, 7th grade. So yeah, that. So basically, I'm just be saying what the heck I got and everything. Let's go. First, I have some ruled intended cards, or whatever this is, ruled index cards. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to get multiple colors, but
I don't care. My mama did.
that anyways. So it's yellow, pretty yellow neon, pretty green neon. Ain't that pretty? It's kind of. I actually don't like the yellow. It's kind of, and that's just neon, but we got green neon, orange neon, and of course pink neon, which is in the front because it's the best. Don't come at me. Okay, so we got that. I'm gonna have to put this back. And of course, I'm using pens this year, so I got pens. Are they all black? Yeah, they all black. maybe. Yeah, they're all black because they're supposed to be black. Or black or blue. Black. I can't use any other colors, but I did this year. I guess I was using like pink and pretty colors and stuff like that. But yeah. So since I went to 5th grade classes, they allowed us to use pens. My 4th grade classes didn't. I still used it. A lot of people did. They didn't care what they were saying. And the teachers ain't saying nothing about it, so I don't know why we couldn't. Okay. Next, I got some of these crazy art. I'm not sponsored, and I am. So sponsor me though, cause I use it like crazy. But okay. So I guess they're thick and strong or whatever. So it's a lot of colors. As you can see, you can just look at it. Alright, yeah, we're done with that. Multiple colors, rainbow, basically. 24 colors. That's great. Now, I have washable glue sticks. Crazy art, like I said, sponsor me. Because I use it like crazy. So, of course, they're washable because you get some of your clothes, you can wash it off. So, yeah. I actually don't want to give nothing to all these little crazy students in my class. Like I said. Okay, so we still got pencils. I'm being a little extra. Crazy art, pencils. I don't know why we got these kind. But there's 20 pencils. Crazy art, and why is there more of these than pencils? Like, well, whatever. Cause I'm not gonna be using pencils. I'm gonna be using pens. Okay. Next, we start with the small items. Okay, so then we have this from Fifth. Okay, yeah, Fifth Guards. You can just look at it. Yeah, there, and it's red. It's red with this little cap thing. Last time I remember, I didn't even use scissors in 4th grade, and I bought this for no reason. So yeah, but 4th grade was great. Oh, more pens. What are these different colors? Not sure. I don't really care. So I have another pen from Bic. Are these from Bic? Yeah, they're from Bic. And they're different. Yeah, I only can use black or whatever. I'm not listening to that. Yeah, he can't say nothing. And now, cause I needed this 2 notebooks. Can't say nothing what notebooks you need. So I got this pink one that says "Stay Magical" and a bunch of cuteness. And this is mine. Nobody can use my stuff. You ask for a piece of paper on my notebook, you ain't getting one. And I got another one. And this will say "Mermaid at Heart." So yeah, it's cute. These are cute. And okay, I got dividers. Dividers from Avery. Yeah, y'all can see it says Avery there. But yeah, I got that. And then big stack of pages. 150 you can have. And if you ask for a piece of paper, guess what I'm saying? No. You're like, can I have a paper? Like, I don't have none. Well, look, you should have brought some, so that's not my fault you ain't bringing nothing for the school year. I mean, actually, it's not really their fault, but still, the people who just, like, don't buy nothing. Like, you don't bring nothing. You don't even bring pencils. Yeah, that's how you know that. But at least they bring, like, some stuff like pencils and stuff. But if they don't get the full stuff, it's because people, they started putting the school stuff out in June, right when the day after we left school. Like, what? So they was doing that, and right. So the school gonna give it like yesterday, so like people ain't gonna have no time to get it, and that's why we went up there because they was taking too long. And the phenomenal, my cute binder. It is so cute, and it has to be a 2-inch. I don't know why. So I picked this one. I have some to pick from, and the dividers are for it, like the papers. These two are big. Yeah, the dividers are for it. So yeah, that's great. And this binder is like these are these are big. Maybe I can't see that because I can't see. Bro, this is hard to do. Like I can't do it. Okay, maybe I just open it up with my hand. Oh, there. Got it. You see there, the big old hoops? My dividers go in there and I divide everything. Oops. So, if you come in there with a folder, which I don't know why, because you're supposed to be using binders, like I said. You're not even supposed to be. Okay, so I got that. And now, the actual, this is not even new. I just says new. So, I got this heart thing. Yeah, don't listen to that. Anyways, and I have this cute design. I got me a water bottle. I said I was going to paint it. I might want to paint that today. Yeah, so, yeah. And, okay, so I have a little front pocket, because I'm going to have a lot of stuff, you know. Pretty big, open space. Okay, bro, it's stuck. Go. I actually normally post videos at night because that's when I'm free. But yeah, not anymore. I'm just gonna post in the morning. I don't got time for that. And I got me an iPad holder, so I'm gonna put my iPad in this, and kind of the second week I'm gonna do this and leave my iPad in there, and then just be on it. This is my pen case slash pencil case. Where can it go? Look, okay, I don't want that hooking on there. But that's that. And basically, this is everything. This video already is getting way too long. My videos are like 80 minutes. So that's that. I have everything. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications. And I love you guys. Peace out. Peace.